Hello everyone, and welcome to my next installment of my Army Innovator screencast. Today I'm going to talk about my Porter's Value Chain Analysis project. A quick overview of a value chain analysis. It is defined as all of the discrete activities a firm performs, creating, producing, marketing, and delivering goods. It's a basic tool for understanding the competitive advantage by analyzing all costs in the value chain. This is a simple value chain that I found on the Allied Market Research website for the home decor industry. I'm going to go a little bit more in depth than this, and I'm going to base my value chain off of a very simple shelving idea instead of doing all the different units that I'm going to make with my business. The suppliers in the value chain, raw material like wood and plastic will be the biggest factor in the value chain cost. Components such as screws and knobs and shelving hangers are relatively cheap, but they'll be a significant cost as well. Raw materials can be bought at a variety of different outlets, which keeps the cost down. And raw material for the cost of one shelf unit would be approximately $16.70 per unit. The manufacturing, all of this will be done in-house. I'll be my own employee until it grows big enough to create more jobs. Assembly time can be reduced by myself creating templated prefabricated designs, basically doing G-code, so it'll create the same design every single time with the push of a button. The typical cost for operating a CNC machine is around $40 per hour. My distribution channel, this is going to be for the online retail, will be done through stores such as Etsy, Amazon, and Facebook Marketplace, as well as my own website, which I'll run. Physical retail will be done at farmers markets or state fair events. And my shipping costs will all be absorbed by Stamps.com. You can get a discount through the USPS by using Stamps.com. It's about 16% for a business, which will be extremely helpful with bulkier items, which cost a lot more to ship. The estimated shipping cost for a box, about 15 pounds, would be $12. My marketing and online presence, as done in a previous project, here's my media spending plan. It's got about an annual cost of $2,655. My customers, the last link in the chain, the local customers. I live in an area, the nearest 3 counties are about 600,000 in population. There's 4 major cities under 100 miles of a radius from me, including Raleigh, Durham, Greensboro, and Chapel Hill, with more population. Online, the retail customer base is massive. It's anybody and everybody that's online. And market value is projected to grow in online sales by 10% over the next 4 years to a value of $83 billion. Supporting activities that's go along with the rest of my value chain. I have procurement warehousing. So this is just scheduling supplies throughout the year. I don't need all of my supplies in the first quarter. I'd rather spread that cost out quarterly. Storage of materials and completed products. That can be done using a simple U-Haul or red carpet storage unit, which is less than $100 per month. And technology is my other supporting activity. My machines will have to stay up to date. Virus protection, software updates, things like that keep the computers from crashing. And associated with technology is my own skills programming the G-code for the templates and the CNC machines. Here's my value chain summary, using my incidental costs along the way. Looking at suppliers, 500 units over the course of a year would be $67.50. manufacturing about $1,600 a year, my distribution channel about $6,000, and marketing about $2,650. 500 units at $50 a piece would end up netting about $25,000 annually, and my profit margin, if all goes well, would be about $8,000 at the end of the day. I'll leave that last slide up just so you guys can evaluate my value chain analysis and give me any feedback. Thank you for watching.